In tree traversal, next method in the depth first search is in-order traversal. So already in the previous video we saw about the pre-order traversal. So in that first how we are checking, first we will visit the root, then left child, then right child. So you can remember as root LT, then left and right. And here in a in-order traversal, first we will visit the left subtree, then we will visit the root, then right subtree. So you can remember like left, then root, then right. Okay. So for this example, first which will be visited B. So it is B, then root is A, then C is a right subtree. So this way the nodes are visited in the in-order traversal. So this is the algorithm. So before seeing the algorithm, we will see how it is traversed. Okay. So here what is the steps for doing the traversing? Left, root and right. Okay. So we are checking A. So A child is B. So B, we have to check whether B has a left child. Yes, B has a left child D. Then we have to check whether D has a left child. Yes, D has a left child G. Then we have to check whether G has a left child. It doesn't have. So first it will visit the G. Then we have to check whether G has a right child. So it doesn't have a right child. So we can check with the G's parent. What is the G's parent? This D. So next it will visit the D. Then D, for D we have to check whether it has a right child. Yes, it has a right child. It is H. And next we have to check whether H has a left child. It doesn't have a left child. So we can visit the H. Then next we have to check whether H has a right child. Yes, it has a right child. So it is L. Then we have visited the B's left child. So we can visit the B now. Because after the left child only we have to visit the root B. Then whether we have to check whether B has a right child. Yes, it has a right child. So it is E. Then we have visited all the left child of the A. So we can visit the A now. The next we have to check for the right child of the A. So what is the right child of the A? It is C. So we have to check whether C has a left child. So C doesn't have a left child. So what we can do, visit the root, that is a C. Then we have to check whether C has a right child. Yes, C has a right child. So what is the right child? F. Then we have to check whether F has a left child. Yes, it has a left child. That is a I. Then next we have to check whether I has a left child. No. So what we can do, visit the I. Then we have to check whether I has a right child. It doesn't have a right child. So we can move to the previous. So that is a parent of the I. So F. So we can visit the F. Then we have to check whether F has a right child. Yes, F has a right child. That is a J. Then we have to check J has a left child. Yes, J has a left child. That is a K. Then we have to check whether K has a left child. No. So we can visit the K. Then we have to check whether K has a right child. K doesn't have a right child. Then we have to move to the parent of the K, that is J. Then we have to check whether J has a right child. J doesn't have a right child. Right. Then we have visited all the nodes. So now what is the order? It is G, D, H, L, B, E, A, C, then I, F, K, J. So this is the order of traversing by using the in-order method. Next we will go with this algorithm. So here that is the same step like a pre-order, but only one difference is first we will visit the left, then we will visit the root, then only we will go move to the right child. Okay, so first we have to check the condition. If it is not equal to null, it is not equal to null. So what we have to do, we have to call the function in order tree tends to left. So this is the left subtree. Now we are here, right? Then we are checking the condition, it is not equal to null. So what we have to do, we have to check for the left child of the B. So this is the left child of the B. Then next now we are here. Then we are checking whether tree is not equal to null, it is not equal to null. So we are checking, calling the function in order tree tends to left. So tree tends to left. So we are calling this function. So what we are doing, what is the left of this D? G. Then again we are checking the condition is true. Then we have to call the function for the left, but it doesn't have any left subtree. So what we have to do, we have to write the root. So root is G. Then next we have to check the right. We have to call the function right. 3 tends to right, but it is null. Then we are moving to the D. So we have to what will do? It will write the right tends to right is 3 tends to data. So what it will do? It will write the D. Then it will call the function in order to write 3 tends to right. So what it will do? It will check for this right. Okay. Then what is now we are here. So what it is doing? It will check the condition is true. So it will call this in order 3 tends to left. Okay. So left is called and we are here and it will check for the left child. Okay, it doesn't have a left, so what it will do, it will write 3 tends to data, it is H. Then it will call in order to 3 tends to right. So what is the right? It is L, so it will print the L. Then what we have to do, again we have to call the now we are here and we have to write the 3 tends to data, so it is B. Then it will call the in order 3 tends to right. So here it is 3 tends to right. Okay. Then what it will do, it will check for the left. It doesn't have the left. So it will write 3 tends to data. It is E. Then it will call the function in order 3 tends to right. It doesn't have right side and it doesn't have any child. So what it will do, it will come out of this loop. Okay. And what it will do, it will write 3 tends to data. We are checking function with 3 tends to data. So it is A now. Then it will call the function in order 3 tends to right. Okay, so this is the right child of the A. Right child of the A. We check the condition is true. Okay, the condition is true. So then what it will do, it will call the function in order 3 tends to left. It doesn't have any left child. So what it will do, it will write 3 tends to data. So 3 tends to data, it is C. Okay. Then next it will call the function in order 3 tends to right. So this is the right. Okay. Then it will check the condition is true. So it will call the function in order 3 tends to left. So now it will consider this. Okay. Then it will write the data. Okay, it will write the data, it is I. Then it will call the function. Okay, so what we have to do next, it will check the condition is true. So we have to write 3 tends to data. So what is 3 tends to data? That is F. Okay, 3 tends to data, that is F. Then we are calling the function in order 3 tends to right. Okay, 3 tends to right means it is J and K. Okay, so it will check the condition is true. So it will call the function in order 3 tends to left. So in a left there is a value, it is K. Then it will write, okay, K, and it will write the value. Then again it will call the function. We have to write 3 tends to data, that is J, and it will call the function in order 3 tends to right. It is there is no tree. So what is the order? G D H L, then B E A C I F K L. So this is the order of traversing by using the in order method.